We're going to eat.
I'm just getting a video of the elevator.
Oh, okay.
Third floor.
Although we should do that sometime soon too.
Going up.
Hi. Is there room for two of us?
Yes.
Thank you.
Go.
You push 5, please. Thank you.
Fifth floor.
Thank you.
Going up.
How are you going to incorporate that? What?
Oh, I'm just interested in elevators, so I just go when I'm traveling. I go film the elevators that I'm near and can check
Yeah.
out.
Ninth floor.
You guys have a good
You
day.
too, honey. Have a good one, honey.
You as well.
Going up.
Here's your panel. Get a pic of that. Slick. Make sure it's good. I'm always, I'm like so pissy. I'm like, gotta get the right picture. But then it always ends up being shit anyway. Cab view before we stop again. These are nice cabs. These used to be older Otis.
Lobby.
Lobby. Never good as well. Change it, guys. Probably just roof credit. We're short on time. We gotta get to the That's all.